Tattoos have become an acceptable form of body decoration in the popular culture, but Dr. Jon Mendelsohn, medical director with Advanced Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center in Cincinnati, says for various reasons, some individuals with tattoos would like to have them removed. In the past, it was not an easy process, but Mendelsohn is using a new laser that he claims is much more effective.
Traditionally, there were lasers called Qswitched lasers that were used when people wanted tattoos removed. These focused mostly on some of the black inks that were used, but did a very poor job with many other colors, the blues and the greens. The Qswitched laser is a laser that may require upwards of 20-plus treatments and still not adequately remove many of the tattoos that you see. And so what you end up with is a tattoo that's partially removed that looks sort of muddy and ugly, and people have spent thousands of dollars trying to have these removed.
The new technology called a pico laser, Mendelsohn says, works incredibly fast.
This laser fires at a picosecond. And if I can just use an analogy, a picosecond is to a second as a second is to 37,000 years. So it's extremely fast. It uses a photomechanical technique which basically shatters this ink into dust, and it allows your body to resorb the tattoo ink.
What's the pain like? What is the pain like with Pico?
Yeah, we've had varied responses. Right now, we do not use any local anesthesia, and we don't require any topical anesthetic agent. We blow cold air over the area. Most patients tolerate it quite well. I wouldn't say it's pleasant, but it's tolerable.
And what are the most common tattoos you remove?
Oh, my gosh. I mean, we're hearing a lot of stories with exes, significant lovers, spouses, boyfriends, etc. Those are the ones that patients definitely like removed. Interestingly enough, most patients love their tattoos. They just don't like maybe an old representation, as I mentioned, of a relationship, or they had tattoos placed when they couldn't afford nice art, and so they want their tattoos covered.
Historically, according to Mendelsohn, it could sometimes take years to partially remove a tattoo.
We're approaching this different because of the technology with Pico. Patients are coming in now, and they're paying a fee for however many sessions it requires. We're so confident that we can remove the tattoos that we will guarantee removal of their tattoos.
Wow, that's really significant. Why are you the only guy in town doing this?
Well, I asked the company that as well, and I do believe that in Cincinnati we're a bit more conservative town, and we've been looking at this actually for about 18 months. The time was right. We started paying attention to our patients. Everybody has tattoos, and many of those patients want their tattoos removed.
Dr. Jon Mendelsohn, thanks so much for your time today. Really interesting.
Thank you very much.